video.
Toka YouTube video. YouTube
Peace.
Did you just stop me? Oh, okay. Scratch that. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I posted a video, I posted that photo on my Instagram, and I had mentioned that I'm going to do a video on makeup with glasses. It's such a drag putting on makeup and then you have to wear your glasses. Sometimes we are forced not to put them on because we have these little smudges here. And then I have to apologize because you'll see the reflection of my lights, but there's nothing much I can do. Anyway, so this video is going to be on the the technique I use these days on my makeup routine if I'm going to put on my glasses. So first we're going in with my orange corrector for under the eye. You'll see most of us either have dark circles or, like me, I call them my valleys. They just go in like that. Okay, so we do that. Then you can either use your concealer brush or your beauty blender, your choice. I'll go in with my beauty blender all over my eyes. Because the thing is, you know, we can't, if you put like eyeshadow and stuff, it won't be seen much because of your frame of your glasses. So what you need to do is really emphasize on your eyes, and that's why you'll always find me wearing eyelashes, because it just does something to the eye, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we have that orange. Go in with your concealer of your choice. I'm going to go in with this palette, Maya Ohms. It's basically become my favorite. So I usually mix like this one right here, okay, and this one right here, these two shades, okay. So I'm just gonna go shots. Yeah, just kids playing with their firecrackers. And this routine is going to be so simple, you guys won't even believe it. So just all over the eye, like that. Okay, so you see my eye area is really bright. So what you do now is just go in with the foundation of your choice. Yeah, just to tone it down a bit, all right? Just there. So, oh, sorry, my foundation of my choice is this Maybelline Matte Mousse in the shade, is it caramel? I think, maybe, can't even remember. Cocoa Dark 3. Yeah, all right. There we go. I got a little on my waterline. Then just blend that out with your brush or your beauty blender. A kabuki brush will also do you good. Okay, so it's up to you. Sorry, clean. It's up to you what you feel like really is enough for you. Yeah, just so that it just blends into the skin. Please note that I'm not doing like on my nose area. Okay, so once that is done, set it. Oops, sorry, that was my glue. So just go in. I have these cute little wedges that I bought at Dubois. Then just set your concealer and foundation all together. Okay. Now, remember I said your eyes have to pop because they'll be under a veil of lens. So I'm going to go in with my Fenty highlighter and just place a bit of it, yeah? Sorry, because I know there's a mirror, yeah? It's okay. So just dab that, just go on my eyelid, like that. Okay, just rub that all over. I'm not gonna do crease things and stuff like that, just that, okay? And then just get my eyelashes that are more subtle, not heavy, because if you're somebody who's rushing going to work, okay, I know that eyelashes are a bit extra, but if you have the mascara that really adds volume to your lashes, that also works. Maybelline has a very good mascara that could do the trick. Is by Kiss. This glue is one of my favorites. I buy my glue from Our Price, that is at Prestige Plaza first floor, right next to the salon. You'll just see them right there. They're always arguing. My lashes are a bit powdery. I'm going in with mascara. This is by Mina. It's a volume mascara. Oh, they have a store at Two Rivers. So I'm just gonna place that like right next to my lashes. On my lashes, actually. In with this Real Techniques one. Okay. And then just wipe off your setting powder. Then after that you can apply your setting spray or yeah, whatever. It's a set prep and gosh, it's a prep and prime of some sort. This is by Estee Lauder. Okay, so you have that, and then you can do whatever you want with your lip. If you want a heavy color, a light color. If you know me, I'm a fanatic of nude, so I'm gonna go in with one of these pencils. This is just pencils you find. Go in with this gloss. This is by Furaha. It's a nice reddish kind of gloss going on there. And guess what? You're set. So, let me put on my glasses. I'm saying, so you can get the complete look. Something is in my eye. So that's a finished look. This is how it looks without my glasses. Did I just catch my lens? Problems of people who wear glasses, I tell you. So this is my finished look. Looking all cute. And when you put on your glasses, there's no foundation or whatever on the bridge of your nose, so you're good to go. You can wear this, you can wear your sunglasses, you're good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Till next time. From Emma's Brush crew. Bye. Till next time. That's like